Hi, welcome back to Maths Learning Groups, and today we are going to look at a Primary 5 question, which is a Paper 1 question on percentage. And there's something about this question that gets students into some trouble because of misunderstanding, all right, on how they misinterpret or they don't understand the concept, and that's how they get the answer wrong. So let's look at this question to see what actually is the struggle that students are going through. So if you look at this question, you can see that express 0.5 as a percentage, right? So express 0.5 as a percentage. So the first thing that students look at this question is that they may write 0.5%. Right, because they just don't know how to change to percentage, so they maybe put down 0.5, and that is the answer, and that's wrong. So what do? So they totally forgot how to convert decimal to percentage. So you need to know how to convert the decimal to percentage by changing to fraction, right? Fraction, which is 5 over 10. And then what must you do next? Once you have converted to fraction, you just have to make the denominator 100. So that'll be 10 times 10, and then 5 times 10. So once your denominator is 100, then how many percent will that be? So your percentage will be 50%. And that's how you change into percentage very easily, right? So when we talk about percentage, fraction is the bridge. Okay, the bridge from decimal to percentage. Fraction is also the bridge from percentage back to decimal. So fraction is like the middle where you cross over. So you can see that from decimal, right? I convert to fraction, and then after that, what happened? Then I convert to percentage. So that is a faster way of doing. And of course, in primary school, teachers will tell them there's something even faster. Well, nothing wrong with that if you can remember. So is there something even faster than converting to fraction? You just have to take the decimal, and if you want to convert to percentage, you just have to multiply by 100, and that's how you get 50, right? 50%. Okay, but the problem with this kind of doing is that students may forget whether to multiply by 100 or whether to divide by 100, right? For example, if I want to change the percentage, right, percentage back to decimal, then what do? I take 50 and I divide by 100, and I will get 0.5, which is back to decimal. So it's either multiply by 100 or you divide by 100. So nothing wrong with this way of doing, just that sometimes we may forget whether is it to times 100 to get percentage, or is it to divide by 100 to get percentage. And this is the part where students may get confused whether to multiply or to divide. So the safest way is to change it to fraction, and then make the denominator 100, and that's how you get the answer. Of course, it seems to be a bit longer, but it all depends on whether you are able to remember this way of doing. If you are not able to remember this way of doing, then you may want to think about this. Right, so there are actually two ways. Okay, one is the longer way and the other one is the shorter way. So it's up to you to choose the best way. Alright, so this particular question, you can see that it's actually a 1-mark question, and it's not very hard. But why students still make mistake is because they do not, or they forgot how to convert the decimal to percentage. So it's a forgetfulness, or maybe they don't even understand how to change the decimal to percentage. So hopefully by the end of this lesson video, you understand how to convert to percentage, right? Using the longer way or the shorter way. Alright, so you can decide which way you want to use. Alright, so see you in our next lesson video.